Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H11 Smartwatch. It is the newest rugged outdoor style smartwatch this 2025. So this wearable is in the affordable category. A very affordable rugged outdoor style smartwatch with a built-in flashlight, as you can see here. On this video, we are going to pair this wearable with its support app. So this smartwatch is using the Laxasfit application, a very popular app. And we do have here the QR code. So we will set it up with our Android smartphone. So if you are interested to see the setup or the way on how to connect your H11 smartwatch with your Android smartphone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and connect it to our Android smartphone with the Laxasfit application. We have here the QR code. You can scan this, and I think it's also available in the user manual as well as here in the smartwatch. So let's check if it's available here. Usually it's available on the settings. We have the general section here, and we have the QR code for the Laxasfit app. Okay, so we already know the name of it and we are familiar with the app, so we'll just search it on the Google Play Store. Go to the Google Play Store. Okay, let the store load and type Laxasfit and search, and we have here the application, and as you can see here, it has over 5 million downloads. Tap on install and wait for it to finish downloading. Finally, it is completed. It has been downloaded and installed in our Android smartphone. So let's open the application. So we have here user privacy and privacy policy. Okay, or user agreement and privacy policy. Tap to agree to continue. Then as you can see here, welcome to Laxasfit. So you can log in or register using your Google account or your email. In our case, this is just a demo. We'll pick the login directly. But tap on I have agreed or I have read and agree. Then log in directly. Then the account has been established. Remember the account and a password. Okay, let's wait. Then tap on OK. Please take good care of your account and password. OK. Complete here the profile. So please put a name. George. Okay. Then tap on OK. Okay, nickname contain illegal words. I don't know why. We'll just put, or maybe they're already a registered name like that. Set successfully. So Laxasfit request to locating phone. Tap on allow. Okay. Then please enable notification permission. Another permission here. Go to set. Activate Laxasfit. Allow. Then go back. And we have here the dashboard. So we have healthy, data, sports, and my for the menu. To pair your smartwatch, you can tap here. The app wants to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, yes, we'll pick yes. Bluetooth permission request. Go to set. Enable the location permission. Go back. Tap on the search and it will look for our smartwatch. Wait for it to finish. Then we have here Smartwatch 4142. So there's no name of H11 here. So let's check if it's our smartwatch. Go to the About section. Language, About. Is it our Bluetooth address? Okay, the same. 763D. Tap on to pair. Wait for it to finish connecting. Device connected successfully. And go to my section. And we have here, as you can see, we are connected to the H11 Smartwatch via Laxasfit App on Android smartphone. Okay, go to the device settings. Let's set our permissions here. Open all. Then tap on OK. Then 24-hour clock mode, we'll set it 12-hour. Language settings, follow the system. Okay, synchronize time, set successfully. And let's check other options here. Seems like everything is okay. Drink water reminder, message reminder, everything is set now. Okay, so that's it for pairing your H11 smartwatch to your Android phone. We do have here a phone book. You can also add a number. Let's try import, allow. Then we'll add this number to our smartwatch. Okay, synchronize. Wait for it. As you can see here, it is now synchronizing. Let's check our phone book here. Contacts, and we have the number of Sam. Okay, so very easy to set up, very direct. Everything is connected here, as you can see. Okay, so everything has been set on our H11 smartwatch with the Laxasfit application. So very easy, and we are still connected, very stable so far with our H11 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup of our H11 smartwatch on Android smartphone, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.